All right, so we've already talked about the H1 heading and what that does. And just to review that, if I were to type in the H1 start tag and then close it, and inside just type hello class, and then click run, notice that hello class shows up in a big heading. Well, H1 is just the first of 6 different types of headers that you can use. And let's show you H2. Okay, the H2 heading. And just say welcome to class. And then run it. Notice that H2 is just a little bit smaller than H1. And the same goes actually for H3. I'll go all the way down to H6. And I want to show you each of these. And I can say something like, my name is Mr. Danza. And run it, show you just a little bit smaller there with H3. And then I continue going here. And inside the H4 tag, notice it has a start and then an end as well. And I can say something like, today is October, what's today's date? October 10th. Just random things to type here. It's a little bit smaller there. And let's do H5. And say today is Sunday. I'm just typing random stuff in here. And close that. And it's a little bit smaller. And the last one, H6. And I can say, I don't know, tomorrow is Monday. And close that. Just going to put a period there just for consistency. And run it. And notice that each header, H1, H2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, starts at the biggest. H1 is the biggest. H2 moves down a little bit. 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, and if I were to open this in a new tab, follows that same thing. Okay, so just to recap, there's more than just the H1 heading. There's also 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1 is the biggest, 6 is the smallest. Sometimes you might choose to have like H1 across the top and then H2 be like a title of an article, and then maybe this be a subpoint, and maybe you only use H1 through 3, but just know there are 6 different headings.